Good morning, everyone. This is Callie with your explosion update. It's December 26, 2012. I want to start out with a manhole explosion in Beijing, China. This film has no audio. Looks like a security camera. There must have been some type of sound, and she went to check what the noise was. She did survive and is in a hospital. Another manhole explosion. This one is in San Francisco, Tuesday evening, about 5 p.m. Power outages were reported, and the streets were closed down in the area. There's a video available if you want to link over and take a look at this. An explosion rocked a lodging house in Iligan City in the Philippines. This was on Christmas Eve. No injuries were reported. There's been 5 killed in a fireworks explosion in India. The unit had been running for the past 30 years and had recently applied for a renewal of license prior to the accident. Lagos, Nigeria is back